Hello, this is Tachibana Tech Channel coming at you with another unboxing video. And today we have the iPhone 15 Pro Max, blue titanium. Let's get a good look at the box. It came with a red dot on the box. I think that's because it was pre-ordered. The little apple. Looks like the blue titanium. Back. Let's get this open. Get this open. First look at the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. The titanium looks really pretty. It's more rounded at the corners. Let's get this. Nice. So here's the phone. Says that it goes all the way up to the brim now, so that's good. Let's check out the rest of the box real quick. So I did see that they moved from Lightning port to USB-C. So instead of having a Lightning port, you'll end up getting a USB-C cord. It's also a little bit fabricy. For the focus, so you guys can get a little good look at that. Let's see what else is in here. You no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during setup. Here's the safety and handling. And then the Apple sticker that you always get. Love getting the Apple sticker. Okay, that seems to be everything in the box. So let's get these out of the way. So I have brought in the iPhone 14 Pro Max so you guys can get a good look at the comparison. So it looks like the iPhone 15 is 221 grams in size, and the iPhone 14 is 240 grams in size. So that is a 20-point drop. And I got the dark purple on the last one, and then this one is the dark blue titanium. So this one's titanium, this one's not. By the looks of it, it's stainless steel. So it looks like this one actually has an A17 Pro chip instead of the A16 Bionic chip that the 14 Pro Max has. On this side, as you can see, this one still has the slider to mute and unmute, and then this one has the action button. And if you also look, you can see on the bottom how the ports have changed. This one's USB-C, this one's Lightning, and there's looks to be more speaker holes. On this side, it looks like the button's about the same, and it looks like the cameras are about the same. At least visually, they look the same. That seems to be the end of our iPhone 15 Pro Max unboxing video. If you guys have any more unboxing suggestions, please comment down below. Thank you, and we hope to catch you guys next time.